How to fix Microsoft Team app. Hello guys, welcome back to another brand new video. So here today in this video I'm gonna show you how you can fix Microsoft Team app not working problem. So before starting the videos, I would like to request you please hit that subscribe button and press the bell icon so that you will get the more informative videos every day. So guys, here what you need to do here, it's very pretty simple. First of all, make sure that your internet connection is well okay and good. So and the second thing what you have to do here, you have to go to Play Store, and then here you just need to search for Team. So after searching for Team, here you will find this type of interface, and if you find this update option on your App Store or Play Store, just simply you need to update your apps. So after updating your apps, you can check it out whether it is working or not. So guys, if it is not working, no need to worry. You have to go to settings, and then after going to settings, you have to just scroll down on your device, and then here you will find an option that will be related to apps. It will be written app management, install apps, or something related to apps. So simply click here and then go to app list or manage apps. Here this type of interface will be pop up. These are the apps which has been installed to your phone, so you just need to search. If you have a search bar, you can search from here, and if you don't have a search bar, just you need to search like this on the bottom. So let me just show you where is T. Okay, here you can see Teams. Simply click on the Teams option. Now what you need to do, just simply tap on force stop button, and then you have to stop the force. Now scroll down, and then here you will find data usage, sorry, storage usage. Simply tap on storage usage, and you have to clear all the data as well as the cache. So after doing this, just click on this permission button on the bottom, and then you have to allow each and every permission as I have already allowed it. And now you can go and check whether it is working or not. So if it is not working, no need to worry, I have another tricks. What you have to do is you have to go back to your phone settings, and then here you can see here software updates. So you have to check whether your system is asking for an update. If your system is asking for an update, make sure to update your system. It will work for you. And guys, if it is also not working, then what you need to do here, you have to just go to Team, uninstall this application, switch off your phone and reinstall it. It will be fixed. Thanks for watching.